Hello students, I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, perimeter and area of plane figures, that is mensuration. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn or discuss about all these topics, no more. Perimeter, area, measurements to polygons, circles and many more, it is geometry for you. Introduction. From our earlier studies about the perimeter of the rectilinear figures, we know that perimeter is the length of the boundary of the given closed figure. Now we are going to learn about perimeter and area of closed figures such as a rectangle, square, a triangle, etc. Okay. First we learn about perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a closed figure. When we go round the figure, once a perimeter is the length of the boundary of the given closed curve. Okay. This we already know because we have studied about perimeter in the previous class also. Okay, finding perimeter of irregular figures. Suppose we have to find the perimeter of the figure given alongside this one. Okay, since it is not a rectilinear figure, we cannot measure its length using scale. To measure the length of the boundary, we take a piece of thread and put its one end at any point of the boundary of this figure, say A. Now we place the thread on its boundary till it reaches at A again. We mark the length of the thread with a pen and then measure the length of this thread. This length of the thread is equal to the perimeter of the given irregular figure. Okay. No more. What is mensuration? It is an act, process or art of measuring. B. It is a branch of mathematics which deals with study of different geometrical shapes, their area, perimeter, volume in the broadest sense. And number C, in Hindi it is called Naap Vidya. Okay. Now, perimeter of regular figures. A. Perimeter of a rectangle. In a rectangular, opposite sides are equal. We already know that. In the given rectangle, AB and CD are equal and also AD and BC are equal. Let AB is equals to CD is equals to L and BC is equals to AD is equals to B. Then perimeter of the rectangle of ABCD is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So L plus B plus L plus B. Okay, so L plus L 2L, B plus B 2B. So this is the formula 2, then in bracket length plus breadth. So perimeter of rectangle is equals to this one. B. Perimeter of a square. We know that in square all its four sides are equal. So in the given square ABCD, AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. All four sides are equal. So AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD is equals to AC. The perimeter of a square ABCD is, we will add all four sides, then A plus A plus A plus A, that is 4A. So perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Okay, no more. A. Regular figure is a figure in which all sides are equal and all its angles are of equal measure. For example, square, equilateral triangle, etc. B. The unit of perimeter is the unit of the given sides. C. The perimeter of a regular figure is equals to number of sides into length of one side. C. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle. You know equilateral triangle whose all three sides are equal. So here in figure 10.4, ABC is an equilateral triangle. So AB is equals to BC is equals to AC is equals to A. Then perimeter of equilateral triangle is A plus A plus A, that is 3A. So perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equals to 3 into side. Okay. D. Perimeter of any triangle in general. Let PQR be any scalene triangle. Then perimeter of this triangle PQR is what? We will simply add three sides, that is PQ plus QR plus PR. So the perimeter of a triangle is equals to sum of length of its three sides, right? E. Perimeter of a regular pentagon. A regular pentagon has five sides which are all equal. This perimeter of the regular pentagon ABCDA, in which all sides are equal, that is AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DE is equals to AE is equals to AC. Then perimeter of regular pentagon is AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus A. So we will write A plus A plus A plus A plus A is equals to 5. Therefore perimeter of regular pentagon is equals to 5 into side. So let's do example 1. Find the perimeter of the following figures. Okay, so what will we do? We will add all the sides given in these figures. Okay, like it's this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will add all the sides of the given figure and then we'll get the perimeter, right? Common mistakes. Don't forget to write the answer of all measurement problems with proper units. Okay. Similarly, you will do all other examples. Okay. Now let's do exercise 10.1. Question number 1. Find the length of the third side of a triangle if two sides are 12 cm and 10 cm. The perimeter of the triangle is 32 cm. Here perimeter is given. Okay. Perimeter of triangle is what? Is equals to sum of length of its three sides. Okay. Okay. So first we'll write perimeter of triangle is 32 cm. Okay. But here problem is that we have given only two sides. Okay. Third side is not given. So we will write here 12 cm plus 10 cm plus what will let the third side be x, y, z, whatever you want to take. Okay, so if we write here x, 32 cm, we will add these two units. 12 plus 10 is 22 cm plus x. So you will subtract 22 from 32 cm, then you will get the third side, that is 10 cm. So we have got the value of x, that is 10 cm. That is, the third side is what? Length of third side is 10 cm. Okay, length of third side is 10 cm. Right, students? Next, area. The length of outer boundary of a closed figure is called perimeter. The portion of the closed figure enclosed within its boundary is known as its area. Okay, see, this is a figure. If we have to find the perimeter, what we do, we will add these four sides. But what is area? The area enclosed within its boundary, that is this one. This is the area. Okay, shaded one. Measurement of area. We can measure a region by a unit region and calculate how many times the unit region is contained in the given region. Usually a square region is chosen as unit region or unit area. Finding area using a square paper. We shall use a square paper, that is a paper which has squares drawn on it. Let us suppose each square has 1 cm side. We trace the given figure on a tracing paper and then put this tracing paper on the square paper in such a way that it covers as many whole squares as possible. Look at the figure given alongside. We count the whole squares, which are 16. Okay, so in this picture we will add whole squares only. So there are total 16 whole squares. The fractions of square marked 1 add up to about 1 square. Similarly, the fractions of square marked 2 add up to about 1 square, and so on with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As the fractional squares make about 7 whole squares. Also, there are two squares 8 and 9 which are almost equal. See, 8 and 9. These two squares are almost equal to whole square. So we count these two squares as 2 whole squares. Thus, the area of the figure is given as about 16 plus 7 plus 2 plus half. Square marked 10. Okay, is about half a square and there is no fraction left to add up. Okay, so area of the given figure is what? See, is 25 whole 1 by 2. Okay, square, and since area of one square on the square paper is 1 centimeter square, each square of side is of one side 1 centimeter square. Thus, area of given figure is equals to 25 1 by 2 or 25.5 centimeter square. Okay, measurement of area by using graph paper. As we have done in the previous section, finding area using square paper. Similarly, we can use graph paper to find the area. Look at the figures given below. Here in figure 10.11, first part, it encloses 7 complete squares. Thus, area of this figure is 7 squares. Since area of one square is equals to 1 centimeter square, area of given figure 10.11 first part is equals to 7 centimeter square. In figure 10.11 second part, it encloses 12 complete squares and 4 half squares marked as 1, 2, 3 and 4, which add up to 2 complete squares. Thus, area of this figure is 12 plus 2 is equals to 14 squares, and since area of one square is equals to 1 centimeter square, thus area of the figure is equals to 14 centimeter square. In figure 10.11 third part, it encloses 4 complete squares. We can take 8 squares, 5 to 12 approximately, as complete squares if we leave the enclosed portion of square marked A. Thus, the area of the given circle is 4 plus 8 is equals to 12 squares is equals to 12 centimeters square. Okay, no more. We count as a full square if it is greater than half a square and leave the squares which are less than half. 2. These methods using square sheets and graph sheets are used to find area of irregular figures. Okay, and now area of a square and rectangle. Area of a rectangle is given by the formula. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. We know a square is a special type of rectangle in which length and breadth are equal. So, area of a square is equals to side into side. This can be clear from the following figures. See these two figures. Here, the rectangle has length 6 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter, and the area enclosed by the rectangle is 24 centimeter square on graph paper. Have a look. See, length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right, 6 centimeter, and breadth 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is 24 centimeter square. Okay. Similarly, for the square PQRS, each side of the square is equals to 5 centimeter. Here we can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, each side of the square is 5 centimeter. And it encloses area on the graph paper which is equals to 25 centimeter. This area of a square is equals, PQRS is equals to 25 centimeter square. And also, area of a square is side into side, that is 5 into 5 centimeter square. Okay, this can be proved by taking rectangles and squares of different sizes. Thus, area of rectangle is length into breadth and area of a square is side into side. Okay, let's do example 7. Find the area of a rectangular field which is 30 centimeter long, means length is 30 centimeter and 25 centimeter wide. Wide means breadth. Okay, how much? 25 centimeter. Now, we have to find the area of a rectangle which is equals to length into breadth, and that is 30 centimeter into 25 centimeter. Okay, so the answer is 750 square centimeter. Okay, and example 8, in example 8 you have to find the area of a square whose side is given 15 centimeter. Area of a square is a side into side, so 15 into 15 is equals to 225 square meter, right? Let's do exercise 10.2. Find the area of the rectangle when its length and breadth are as under. Okay, length is given 10 centimeter, breadth is given 8 centimeter. So, area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth, that is 10 centimeter into 8 centimeter is equals to 80 centimeter square. Right, students? And in question number 2, you have to find the area of a square, that is side into side. Right? Now, you will do practice of remaining questions.